If you're streaming on Discord and experience so much lag, then you should follow these steps so you can fix it. First thing you want to do, go to search and then type in task manager. And then here we want to turn off any application that you're not using. So let's say you're not using WhatsApp, you can just end task and just turn off every application that you're not using actively, because this will help reduce stress on your PC and this will smooth your stream. So go through the list. You can see here the top, the applications that use the most CPU and memory. You can just disable them. Then once you have done that, go to settings, go to video, voice and video, and then under streaming you want to turn off show stream previews. This usually helps reduce the lag. Next you want to go to advanced, then make sure to turn off hardware acceleration and then restart your Discord, and this should fix the lag in your stream. So after you follow these steps, this should make your stream much more smoother. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.